Ben and Glen fell down. Will lifted up his head. Rose blew the 6 candles. The mug is full of water. And the blind man sat down on a chair. Jasper wrote his name on a piece of paper. The fan
Wait
is
lang. Game.
the fan is in the fan. The meat can fit on Dan. Jogged a dot on top of the cut. A red ball fell in the wall. The boy
Wait lang.
game.
Game.
The boy can run on the track. Put uh,
Ulit.
put the soap on your hands.
Game.